Let's find out how to troubleshoot the FA306 error code in the Worcester Bosch boiler. The FA306 error often displays when your boiler senses a flame that isn't really there. We call it the false flame fault. What causes the FA306 error? Well, this error can occur for two main reasons. First, because of a malfunctioning air-to-gas ratio valve, which is responsible for regulating the precise flow of air and gas in the combustion process. Or faulty ionization cable, which is responsible for detecting the presence of a flame by monitoring the ionization current. But don't worry, we've got a few tricks up our sleeve to troubleshoot this issue. First, try resetting your boiler. Just hold down that reset button for a few seconds, and you might be back in business. Remember, safety comes first. If you're not comfortable with boiler controls, it's always best to call a qualified gas engineer. If the reset doesn't do the trick, it could be a faulty air-to-gas ratio control valve. This valve plays a big role in the combustion process, so if it's acting up, it can trigger the FA306 error. Another thing you should keep an eye on is the ionization cable. If it's damaged or frayed, it might be misreading the flame's presence. But don't worry, a gas-safe engineer can replace it with ease. Service steam heating engineers can handle all the boiler makes and models. As the accredited Worcester Bosch boiler installer, we guarantee to meet the highest standards set by the manufacturer. Click on the link below in the description to book a service team heating engineer. Thanks for watching, and stay warm.